Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with the market update, man. My market update is not yours. Unedited video, I talk it and I post it. All right, man. You still got some deals out there today. I hope y'all been buying TSLY cover calls on Tesla. Yield Max TSLY. I've been giving y'all that play from $12 and under. Right now it's like $12.68. In the last 2 days, it got down to $11.11. Last week it went to 11.05, 11.07. I mean, I brought some at 11.07 last week, and I know in the last 2 days it was 11.11. I was dollar cost averaging, buying about 2 to 3 shares a day every time it dipped. And that thing shot up. Right now it's like $12.68. The ex-dividend date coming up, I think is out November 3rd. Probably gonna pull on back. Good time to get in there if it does, or it might just take off, but we're gonna see. Last month it paid $1.09 a share, so that thing hot, man. MSTY got down to in the $27 range. Some people gonna pick it up there and ride it back up to the late 31s. I think it got up to about $31.64 before it pulled on back, but only did it because of the ex-dividend date. All these yield max and most monthly pay buy any stock. After the ex-dividend date, that's when it cools off. It have a sell-off. Some people sell before then just to get on out of it. But if you don't have the dividend, I mean the shares by the ex-dividend date and the record date, you're not going to get it. RYLD 16 cent a share a month got down to 16.05. It's another one, man. ORC had earnings. Say they end up beating the earnings. We're gonna see how this gonna play out tomorrow. It was at 780 for the today's low. It did close the day at like 796. So we're gonna see if this gonna take off or not. If so, I'm gonna load up and ride it on up and swing trade it, and still keep some for a monthly dividend, paying 12 cents a share a month. Another one y'all might have been slipping on. I told y'all buy this a share every day. Under $10 a share, ULTY. It's a utility yield max ETF. I think last month it paid like 82 cents or 89 cents a share, but it got down to 9.85 right now in the 24-hour market. It's at like $10.03. That's why I told you buy a share every day at $10 and under. A share, or 2 or 5, whatever you want to do. Another one went down today to $11, about 9 cents or 8 cents a day was ticker WU. That's Western Union. Western Union went down. I brought $100 worth in my Robinhood and brought $300 worth in my Webull. Not Webull, but in my Cash App. I'm going to swing trade that. I'm going to let it go up to about $11.50, and I'm going to sell $300 worth. I'm doing it. I make a little something, but that's not the case of doing it. I'm doing it to lower my average cost. I already got an average cost that's low, probably about $11.65. So you want to get it below the $11.50 mark, preferably about the $11.25. Pays a good dividend anyway quarterly. USOI, that is a Credit Suisse ETF on crude oil. Oil is coming down. USOI, and it's another one, USOY. USOY is a yield max ETF doing options on crude oil too. Those are two of them to have. USOY pays a higher dividend and it's cheaper. USOY is at like $65. USOY is like at $15. If you want to get in on USOY, buy it at 15 and under. Anything above that, I wouldn't bother unless you want a dollar cost average. Buy a share every day at the daily low. The other one down is ARR, Armor Residential REIT. Got down about $19.19 or something like that today. Pays a dividend 24 cents a share a month. KLIP, Clip, cover calls on China Crane shares are still below the $12 range. We got down 11.83. I think it closed up like around about 11.90, but it's still below the $12 range. Got some good dividend growth stocks. Got CVS. That's a buy at $6.60 and under. It's in like the $56 range. HE Hawaiian Electric still a buy. Dollar General, that's at like $80. You got some ETFs, DHS, VYM, SCHD, and HDV is down still. I mean, it's a lot of buys, man. Charge Point down $1.28. It's a good time to start a position or accumulate. Got Goro. If y'all upside down to that, I brought $300 worth of that today. Got beat down to 17 cents today. I brought in at 19, 20 cents. I'm a swing trade it quick. As soon as it get above $22 and above, I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to buy right back in to lower my average cost. I think my average cost right now, like, I want to say it's like 43 cents now. I did average down a lot. That's why I brought all those shares. But yeah, man, there's some stuff out there. But urgent thing, like with the most exciting news right now is Tesla. That's about the hardest thing going on. We already know about NVIDIA and stuff. Think that pull on back some, but so all we gonna do, man, cash up this cash flow. See where this market gonna go. Friday is usually a volatile day. We're gonna see how that's gonna play out. I'm hoping TSLY pull on back some more so I can get on there. I hope it pull back to $11.30 range, which is probably not, but it's still about at 12.20 and under. So, oh man. That's it, man. Just getting out the hot tub, man. So body is in a downing state now, man. So sorry for the yawning. Signing off. Go get your money.